Good day, everyone. Imagine a farm where its decisions are not based on guesswork but on real-time data. This is the power of digital agriculture platforms. These are systems that use mobile apps, sensor, and internet tools to help farmers monitor crops, soil, and weather. The main goal is to solve common problems like low yield, unpredictable climate, and influence used to resources. In society, this technology can greatly help farmers produce more food with less cost. It can improve income and reduce waste. However, not all farmers can easily adopt it. Some lack internet access, devices, or technical knowledge. Culture and habits also affects whether farmers trust and use these tools. Different groups see this technology differently. Scientists and companies see innovation and progress. Farmer may see both opportunity and risk. Governments may focus on food security, while environmental groups worry about data misuse and sustainability. On key issue, here's data ownership. Who control the information collected from farms? The benefits of clear, higher and productivity and smarter farming. But there are challenges like unequal access and depends of technology. As a future agriculturist, our responsibility is to ensure this technology is used fairly and sustainably. We must support farmers through education, promote equal access, and create policies that protect their rights. In the end, digital agriculture is not just about technology, it's about empowering farmer and build better future Philippines and agriculture. Thank you.